Hey guys, Andy here. So I've just upgraded the Chromecast in the living room to a Chromecast Ultra, mainly for obviously the 4K HDR capability. We see on the side it also says it does do ultra fast load times and Ethernet. I didn't realise this until I'd actually got into the box. It is very simple to set up. We're going to kind of briefly go through the setup in the video. So if you don't have a Chromecast, you've never seen a Chromecast, you don't know how they work, then this video is for you. If you do have a Chromecast, I mean, you might still be interested just to have a look, but there's probably less to learn and less to see, perhaps if you already know. So here is the Chromecast Ultra. It's HDMI connection. I don't quite know why. I mean, I guess it's just for convenience of travel and things that they've got a magnet on the back of the HDMI cable, so therefore it sticks to the actual Chromecast. I mean, do you really travel with it? Doesn't it go in your back of your TV and live there? The little card tells you how to turn it, set it all up. It is very simple. And here's the charging brick, which actually is quite big and bulky. And then I realised because it's got an RJ45 network socket in it. It is micro USB into the Chromecast itself, but I assume also the micro USB is going to provide whatever the Ethernet connection is into the device as well, which is quite clever. So there we see the magnet in action again. I'm not really sure why. If someone can explain that to me, I would be interested to know. But I guess now it is time to go and plug it into my TV. So this is what you'll see when you plug it in, when you're on the right input. You need to make sure you're on the right input. I'm in HDMI 2, I think, but whatever you put yours in. And your phone, you need to download the Google Home app, and then it should detect that there's a device needing setting up. If you've already used Google Home, you'll have rooms set up like me, and you can tell it's in the living room, and that should make it easy. If I ask my Google Home to play something on the TV, it will know which TV to play it on. It's fairly straightforward going through the process from that point. It already detects that I had Netflix installed, so it sort of added that as a service, I think. I don't know what difference that makes. Then it's basically running an update, updating the firmware in the Chromecast. And I did have a small issue at this point. So you can see the TV is ready to go. But my phone basically said, we're still updating. Oh, I've lost the Chromecast. But it does say that the setup's been done, it just can't find it. So you don't worry too much about it. Because when I tap on the actual Chromecast icon, there is living room TV, look. So the TV itself shows that you're on YouTube. You then just pick which video you want. You can either play it straight away or you can add it to the queue. I think anyone on your network can do that as well. So, if you've got a few people around, they can all just add things to the queue. Well, they can hijack you and just start playing another video, which can be a bit annoying, but never mind. It is there as an option. Now, obviously, this is a 1080p video filmed with my little compact camera. You're not really going to gain much or take much away from the video quality. But I can tell you, it does look really good. And actually, just notice the load times. These are 4K videos. They are very fast loading. So I do see that as quite a benefit of the old Chromecast. Is that enough to make you spend the 70 quid? Well, they're on offer at the moment for £60 to get the Chromecast Ultra if you've already got the regular Chromecast. Not if you don't have the 4K HDR TV. And I guess that's kind of obvious, but I don't know. Well, I suppose if you, I don't know, it's your money, I guess. if you want to spend the money to get just faster loading times, and this is me choosing or changing the video there, and it does seem very quick. So yeah, seems quite a good device. It is quite expensive, so I'll leave that up to you if you think it's worthwhile or not. And obviously, when you're done, you just tap that you want to disconnect, and off you go. So let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. But for now, my name's Andy, and I'll catch you all again soon. Well done, and thank you for making it to the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, you might want to click the little fellow that should hopefully appear about here to subscribe. You may also want to check out some of my other videos, which are going to appear somewhere there. Also, come and have a look at my website, androidandy.uk. There is also a forum. Come and say hello on the forum. If you've got any questions about things or request me to review things or anything else, just come and have a chat on the forum.